Hello everyone, myself the Manager of Engineering Research Development Division of University of Ottawa, and here I have Atri with me, who is also the representative of the University of Ottawa Management. Hi Atri, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, Shikha. Thank you. Hi, everyone. So today we have gathered here to discuss about an international project which the University of Ottawa is going to undertake. It's a part of its corporate social responsibility, and the project is based in Uganda. So let's hear a few details of the project from Shikha.
Sure. So the project basically focuses on making and setting up a manufacturing unit in Uganda, which will help the local people of Uganda to boost the economy of the country as well.
Okay, yeah, I can see that. So then, Shikha, as you had mailed me, I can see that you have a number of group members in the
Yes.
project. So your project manager is Mr. Navapal, as I can
Yes.
see, and your technical supervisor will be Zeel Jaiswal,
Yes.
and Kola Sonde, he is the labor relations officer.
Yes.
You'll be a part of the project as well.
Yes.
And I'll be the one who will be representing and doing every work from the university here in Ottawa. So I'll be assisting you guys, right?
Yes.
And then, can you tell me a little about why did you choose Uganda and what are the challenges in Uganda that the project is gonna face?
Yes. So some of the benefits which we wanted to undertake as as the uh, main focus of our project is to boost the local economy of the country and to also improve the brand image of the university.
Yeah.
That's really important, and I think that's one of the considerations. And also to have a hands-on experience on the international project for the university projecting.
Yeah,
Basically.
absolutely. As we can see that if we do this project, it'll be a great thing for the brand image of Ottawa U as well.
Exactly.
Yeah, and then also I think one of the other factors which you might be looking into is that by providing them a manufacturing setup, you'll be actually providing the people there the tools at a much cheaper rate than what they are getting it right now.
That is actually our focus.
Yes. I can see that.
So basically the global aspects which we wanted to focus on were the trade laws of Uganda and also the working culture of the local people.
Okay.
So that they mold according to our project needs, and we also have some some considerations for them to mold our project objectives according to their needs.
Okay, yeah,
Exactly.
that's very true. And then I think for the project, you'll need a government liaison as well, right?
Yes.
Who'll be acting between our representatives here in Ottawa
Yes.
and with the people in Uganda, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so yeah, it seems nice. And then, did you take into consideration the power distance which Uganda has?
Exactly. In the kickoff meeting, we will be discussing about the power distance, which is actually very high in Uganda, and also we'll talk about the uncertainty avoidance. These are the two major aspects which we will be talking in our kickoff meeting as well. And also, I wanted to talk about the budget. And I hope if you were not aware, we decided and we proposed on a budget close to 2.5 million, which will include the construction, installation and operations of the facility within Uganda. So that was like one of our major concern which we wanted to focus on. And I think as an international venture, I think we will have a high success rate.
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, that's our project from the University of Ottawa. And in order to finish this session, we would like you to watch an animated clip that we had prepared for you guys. So you guys go ahead and enjoy the clip.
The video is directed to put forth and promote a prospective business enterprise, which, being profitable as it were, also serves a social and charitable cause. The Engineering Research and Development Division of University of Ottawa is launching a construction and installation project to establish a tool, equipment manufacturing facility in Uganda in order to boost the local economy. So the key stakeholders would include the upper management of Ottawa U, the project team, local Uganda government liaison, local workers, and international business regulatory bodies. Since the manufacturing venture delves into the international business territories, an initial kickoff meeting would be called, which would have the project team factoring global influences such as Uganda government trade laws, working culture of locals, nature of power distance, and uncertainty avoidance measures. So, a technical project team would be tasked to visit Uganda and provide extensive training in construction and facility installation to the local workers and farmers. The manufacturing project is proposed to be completed and made operational in 4 months. After the facility is constructed, the authorization is transferred to the trained local officials who would continue the operations and maintenance. Hence, this venture will enhance the brand repute for the university and also serve a noble cause to help the local people of Uganda.